everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I have decorated a table for two. This video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is no guests, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. All right guys, let's get started. So this right here is the place setting, but I'd like to start out over here with the centerpiece. All right, so here we have a swag that I revamped. I DIY'd this. I bought it at a thrift store, and then I just added the pine cones and the pumpkins. And then this was a DIY pumpkin that I just made for the channel. That came out so nice, so rustic. Loving the sunflowers. Now, the Dollar Tree, I think they might still be carrying these. I thought that was really nice. And I put a tea light in there. So I forgot to turn that on, but here are some pine cones. And then we have some leaves. Okay. And the candle holders, all of them, and the actual candle all came from the Dollar Tree. This was also a DIY vase, which I'm absolutely loving. And here are those tall white stem roses, and believe it or not, those came from the Dollar Tree as well. I got it from the plus section, and they were like $3 a bunch. So that's usually around Mother's Day and Valentine's Day, guys, just in case you want to know. And here is my black Kirkland bird. Then if we come over here, I have this this greenery ball, which I got, which was thrifted. Okay, that's really pretty. And then these are the burlap pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Then we have some more pine cones there, and I did DIY this black pumpkin right there. Now, I also DIY'd that vase with the bow. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. I am loving it. And then that's some boxwood that I purchased at Walmart. So if we come on over to the place setting, all right, so the utensils I got from Home Goods, the napkin, I believe that was a thrifted item. And then we're gonna come over here. So the Dollar Tree's carrying these textured leaves. I absolutely love them, guys. Okay, so, and then this was thrifted. I absolutely love that plate. I try to use it as often as I can. Now, this dish here came from Walmart. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I am loving that. And so that was the salad plate, and this is the dinner plate. And it has like that gold trim. I love it. All right, so if we come over here, these chargers here came from the Dollar Tree. Don't you just love that? They are so beautiful. This was a great find. And then I just wanted to do the layered look here. So this mesh placemat that came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have this placemat, and I got this at the Dollar Tree, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. This definitely looks like it's worth more than what I paid for it. So I decided to layer it like this. Okay, I thought that looked really nice. Then we're gonna come back and place the charger. Okay, and then the plates. Here's the dinner plate. And then here is the salad plate. So I thought that was beautiful. And then I decided to go ahead and take this dish and place it in the middle. But then I wanted to top it off with this leaf because we are still in the fall. Thanksgiving is around the corner, and I didn't want to leave that out. So here is the fork, and then we have the other utensils on this side. So this is what the place setting is looking like. Okay, let's go over here. Now this was an amazing buy, guys. This is a Home Goods flute. Okay, look at that glitter in the center, those gems, and I thrifted it. So that was a great buy. Look at that flute. And then the water glasses were thrifted as well. So that is what the place setting is looking like. I am loving it. So this leaf here is this green one. Maybe you could see the grain more on that leaf. I am loving that leaf. I'm gonna see if I can get some more. Then we have two of them over here. And the centerpiece. So this is what my table is looking like for two, and very festive. I'm in love with it, guys. I know this is a little bit rustic for this table, but I had it there and I just decided to leave it. Anyway, this centerpiece right here with the roses looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so in love with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. All right, let's head on over to the reveal.